Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Akamai's launches Linode-based Connected Cloud platform. Introduction: This is a big announcement for the cloud computing industry as it represents the coming together two major players, Akamai, a leading content delivery network provider, and Linode, a popular cloud hosting provider. In this video, we'll cover that the connected cloud platform is, what benefits are, and how it is expected to impact the cloud computing market. What is the connected cloud platform? The connected cloud platform is a new cloud computing platform that combines Akamai's CDN with Linode's cloud hosting infrastructure. This means that developer will be able to deploy and run their application on Linode's servers, and Akamai's CDN will deliver their content to users all over the world with high performance and reliability. Benefits of the connected cloud platform. The connected cloud platform offers number of benefits including global reach. Akamai CDN has a global network of servers, which means that developers can deliver that content to users all over the world with high performance and reliability. Improved performance. Akamai CDN can also help to improve the performance of application by delivering content to users from servers that are located closer to them. This can reduce latency and improve load times. Increased security. Akamai CDN also help to improve the security of application by protecting them from a variety of cyber threats including DDoS attacks and malware attacks. Scalability. The connected platform can scale up to meet the needs of even most demanding applications. Impact of the cloud computing market. The connected cloud computing platform is expected to have a significant impact on the cloud computing market. By combining Akamai's CDN with Linode's cloud hosting infrastructure, the Akamai has created a new cloud computing platform that offers a number of advantages over traditional cloud computing platforms such as Amazon Web Service and Microsoft Azure. The connected cloud platform is expected to be particularly appealing to developers who need to deliver their content to a global audience with a high performance and reliability. It is also expected to be appealing to businesses that need to protect their application from cyber threats. The connected cloud platform is significant development in the cloud computing industry. It offers a number of advantages over traditional cloud computing platform and is expected to have a major impact on the market in coming years. Additional thoughts. Here are some additional thoughts on connected cloud platform. The platform is still in early stages of development, but it has the potential to major player in the cloud computing market. Akamai has a strong track record of innovations and customer support, so developers can be confident connected cloud platform will be supported. And the platform is expected particularly appealing to developers who need to deliver their content to a global audience with a high performance reliability. It is also expected to appealing to businesses that need to protect their application from their cyber threats. Overall, the connected cloud platform is promising development in the cloud computing industry. It is worth keeping an eye. It continues to develop and mature. So that's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.